Ever increasingly today, our bodies are being exposed to and burdened with toxins from our environment, including things like heavy metals, including lead and mercury. Hi, I'm Dr. Thad Deal, and if you suffer from a chronic health problem, you need to consider the very real possibility that heavy metal burden could be a contributing or causative underlying factor. If you have not had the appropriate testing done, we need to determine whether or not you have a problem with metals. These metals have an affinity for tissues and organs, especially the thyroid and brain, and can result in a host of symptoms from high blood pressure to chronic fatigue. So if you have not had this testing done, I encourage you to do so. And then if we find that you have a problem with heavy metal burden, we can design a safe, natural, and effective detoxification program to help your body rid itself of these toxins. To discover whether this approach is appropriate for you, I invite you to schedule an initial discovery visit and heavy metal toxicity screening.